What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how to make quick money online for beginners. I'm actually going to share with you 5 easy ways you can get started with to make some quick money online as soon as today. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more on a consistent basis. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so I get this question all the time is how can I get started and make some quick money online? And I actually prefer, my number one recommendation, you can find it also at the description right here below, is to get started with affiliate marketing. But since it can take you a little while to get started to build a full-time passive income online, you want to make some quick money online while you build a sustainable online business there. And that is where I want to share with you here today, how you can get started actually to make some quick money online while you build your real online business there. Alright, make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information. And at the end of this video, make sure you also check out my number one recommendation for a full-time passive income online there. Let's get started. Okay, method number one we can get started with is to actually sell something on eBay. And it can be as easy as just have a look at your house if you have something that you never used for a long time. And I can guarantee you 100% that you're probably going to find something that you can sell there and make some money online. If you don't want to go that route, another option would be that you can actually arbitrage here. You can sell other stuff. You can find something on Alibaba.com or something like that, for example, and sell whatever comes up to your mind there. It's up to you totally. I mean, you can sell, just to give you a quick example here, some backpack here. You can sell watches or something like that, shoes or whatever. So eBay is definitely a quick way to get started to make some money online there. Alright, let's move on to the next opportunity, and that is to actually get started to do some micro tasks. Micro tasks, the number one site to get started with is probably microworkers.com. And you can see here that there is tons of ways you can get started with to make some money online. LinkedIn, if you have a LinkedIn profile, follow plus like plus comment plus share, and you can make 10 cents there. Okay, so it's definitely not much you will earn here with those micro tasks, but on the other hand there is a lot of opportunities. So if you get started and you're focused and get started and make some money here, it will actually make up to quite a few bucks per day here. So there you can see here, I just scrolled down here, tons of ways. Okay, so they ask you here to get search plus engage and a screenshot and bonus, and you can make 5 cents there. What else is there? Make at least 300 per week. All they want you to do is just sign up there, take a screenshot on that, and you can make 75 cents there. Okay, so I mean this takes probably 2 or 3 minutes to do, and you see here you have a lot of tasks you can get started with. So have a look at it at microworkers.com. Another site pretty similar is rapidworkers.com also. And you can see here YouTube vote for this video, just to give you a quick example, is 10 cents. Okay, follow me on Twitter, 12 cents. If you follow someone on Twitter, create a Gmail account for me, 13 cents. I mean, it takes you probably a minute and a half or something like that to just do any of these tasks here. And with a few minutes you can easily make a few dollars here. So have a look at Rapid Workers also. Another way you can get started to make some money online is actually taking surveys. One site is Surveys on the Go, surveysonthego.com. You can see here, get paid taking quick, simple surveys on all kind of topics right on your mobile device. Okay, so you can see here, made $3 just for 10 minutes worth of surveys, and just made $10 for baking some cookies and taking a 16-second video of it. Okay, so definitely a quick way to make some extra money online there. Another site you can go to is actually Earnably, and here you can make money with more opportunities, and that is by completing tasks, watching videos, and taking surveys here also. It is super easy and a very, very popular site. You get quickly paid via PayPal, of course, here also. So by just having a quick look at the about sections, you can see here you complete offers, you get rewards, easy instant rewards here, and you can actually, there is a referral program also. So have a look at it for yourself. I already shared this in the past. There is more ways, as I said, to make some quick money online here, so get started with it. Another opportunity you can make some quick money online is to become a tester. Becoming a tester means that you will test a website or an app or something like that, and one site I recommend today is validately.com. Validately.com, you can see here, we want to go to the section where it says get paid to test. You can see that there is tons of big companies here like Google, Amazon, Microsoft. They usually go to this company when they want something, when they want to test something like a new website or something like that. So you can see here it's super easy. You just sign up, you will be asked to provide your basic demographic information. You will start to receive emails offering money for feedback on websites and apps, and you will be paid for every test you successfully complete. So you can see here what you need to get started is you need to be 18 years old, use Google Chrome, high-speed internet connection, and a PayPal offer. And by having a quick look here on how much money you can make with this, is you can see, however, many of the studies pay in the $100 range for a live remote research session. So you can actually make up to $100 for every test you're taking there. Another site that is very popular also is user testing. You can see if we go to the section where it says get paid to test, you can earn up to $60 per test. Or you can see here you can make $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. User testing pays you to visit websites or apps, complete a set of tasks, and speak your thoughts aloud. So they want the feedback actually. Let's say, for example, that they're launching a new section on their site and they want you to see if it is easy to find it. Let's say they have a new red dress or something like that, if it is a clothing company. So you're just talking out loud and say, yeah, I could find that red dress, or it was hard to find it, but I found that it was easier to find it via the search function or something like that. So you just talk out loud and you tell them exactly on how easy and so on. You will get full instructions actually. So there is more sites, but I think two of these is good way to get started with to make some quick money online. You can see here that they have also New York Times, Lifehacker, Zendesk, Facebook. Actually, those are the companies here that comes to usertesting.com. All right. Let me give you a bonus section here. You can actually make money with any kind of freelance job. I don't know your skills. You might be good at graphic design. You might be good at editing videos, data entry jobs, really super easy tasks to get started with. And probably the most popular site to get started with would be Fiverr. Okay, so by just typing in here, I mean, there is a lot of people here, graphic design. Let's say that you're good at that. You can see here, all you have to do is have a look at the profiles here a little bit. Try to be unique. Get started, of course, to promote your gig here. And you can definitely make some quick money online. Especially if you're good at graphics design. You will have, you can just post some jobs that you have already done. So you will get it going really, really quick. Or another example, video editing, okay, could be another alternative that you can go ahead and do that also. Or let's say that you are going for data entry, which, as I said, I really don't know your skills, but these are super easy to do. You can be any kind of a virtual assistant here with some data entry jobs there. Tons of ways that you can actually make quick money online. But this works as a freelance jobs. And what I would do is actually I would sign up for a few other freelance sites also. So I would recommend you to have a look at upwork.com, and then there is also, let's say for example, freelancer.com also. All the sites are pretty similar, so I mean you can actually have a look at those for yourself and post your availability and jobs there. Or if you go ahead and search for job for any kind of specific job, you can actually search for virtual assistant jobs, for example, and you can see what is available. Go ahead, get inside there and bid for that job. Alright, many of these sites, as I said, won't make you rich probably. If you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you want to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you find at the end screen here. Make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.